Welcome to week 2 of summer school. Just wanted to give you an overview of what we will be working on this week. This week we're concentrating on opinion pieces, so we'll be reading opinion pieces in class and answering questions about them. Again, for this week, you have your weekly warm-ups. Your video will be right here once it's uploaded. You have your weekly warm-ups. You will also have more grammar practice websites, different ones for you to work on. Your reading practice and language arts practice with the answer keys is also included. This week for your Georgia Milestones Experience video, we're focusing on how students will get to multiple pages of the selections on the test. It's kind of difficult for them sometimes to navigate that on the test, so it's very important that you watch this video and they practice that. And then your Friday activity, your async day of the week, again, focusing on opinion writing. So a little fun activity for them to do with that. And of course, your end of the week checklist, the biggest, most important thing to make sure you have already completed at the beginning of this week, that it should have already been done at the end of last week, is the pre-test for summer school. Make sure you have completed that. And again, make sure your USA test prep assignment for week 1 is complete. We use that to guide our instruction, so that's very important to have done each day. Each day, try to read a book or a little section of a chapter book, maybe a chapter. Just can never hurt reading every day. Thank you guys for watching this video. We'll see you in class.